What's going on, and welcome to another statue unboxing video. And today we have a FiguartsZero by Bandai. We've got Denji and Chainsaw Man. Now, I've been meaning to get this one for a while. I think it was released at the start of the year. It's a bit bigger than some of the other statues. Comes in a really cool art box, as they all do. It's a really great brand and great line of figures that the Bandai do. Now this is an amazing statue. I'm only new to Chainsaw Man. It's a new anime. I think it was released last year, but I think the first season was amazing, and can't wait for the second season. I think that there's a movie coming out soon. Yeah, as you can see, there's amazing detail on this figure. Nice transparent effects for the blood here. I'd like to get some lights to go behind it to help these stand out a bit more. There's some more on the base here, if you can see. And these are, I think these are some of the tentacles or limbs or whatever of some of the demons or monsters. But yeah, there's great attention to detail for Denji. I really do love this line of statues. I did get some of the older ones, but I had a bleach one from years ago, and I don't think they were the FiguartsZero line wasn't as good back then as they are today. I mean, there's a lot more highly detailed than what they used to be. And I like that it's a bigger statue as well, figure, because a lot of the FiguartsZeros, they're not as big. Like for One Piece they do. For One Piece they make quite big ones, but I don't really collect One Piece stuff. I've not really watched the show. As you can see, the cord. You can see that there. You see the cord there, from where Pochito is inside his body. We'll pull that to become the Chainsaw Devil. But yeah, this is an amazing figure. Retails for around £100 British. But yeah, once again, this is an amazing figure, and I can't wait for more of Chainsaw Man. FiguartsZero figures to be released. I think there is a power one coming out very soon. I will be purchasing that, and hopefully they do some other ones like the Sword Devil, I think he's called. That would be a really cool one to collect. There's great detail on the figure from where the chainsaws are. It's really nice how they connect, how they sculpted into his arm like he does in the show. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below and let me know what you think of the statue, and drop us a like and subscribe for more unboxing videos.